So I'm out here in a freaking tornado draining water out of my pool so that the water doesn't get behind the liner and float my pool. When I had the pool installed, I asked the guy about an overflow drain to drain automatically. And he told me, oh no, mister, that's a bad idea. You're always going to be doing this and that and other thing. I'm starting to question my decision now, because it sure would have been a lot easier to let the pool drain itself than have my ass traipsing out through this swamp to get to the pump so that I can drain 1,000 gallons off the top of this pool. Yeah, you gotta love the rain.